Hey, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. So in today's video, it's time for the G1000 arcade machine from our friend from China. We're going to do some extended testing. Let's test out. Game Boy Advance. Alright, let's keep on rolling, baby. You know what time it is. Game Boy time. Let's go! Alright, let's start out of the game. Oh, yeah, okay. Just started off great. Need to grab the good button, otherwise I'm going back. Sound is good. Everything is just working fine. Oh yeah! Let's go! Alright, every sound here. Let's rock! Alright, so for the final conclusion regarding this G1000 Game Advanced testing, this is what you're going to get. Personally, I think the games are running very well, but keep in mind there is no way of changing the XG ratio. In other words, this is what you're going to get. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments. I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell. And don't forget, if you like gaming, if you like retro gaming, don't forget to check out the Wicked Gaming channel. See you next time. Bye bye.